Man, I swear, one of the worst things in the world is working on a car when it's cold outside. I just banged my damn hand. I had to change my map sensor. And I guess whoever put it on there last time had some fucking Loctite on it, so I had to take a heat gun to it. Cause over the past few days when it rained, my map sensor got messed up. It was water all in there, so yeah, I just did that. Had to jump it. But you know, I mainly came out here to test this thing out. This thing's supposed to be strong as hell. Now, this Lancer has been off for almost a year. That battery was new. Everything was new. It's just I was having troubles with the steering. Everybody's saying it's my power steering pump, but normally when the power steering pump goes, it makes a noise. This one didn't do that. And this thing is making weird ass noises because it hasn't been on in 2 days. And I guess it has to burn out whatever moisture they got in the manifold or whatever. But anyhow, I want to try this thing out because it jumps that car no problem. But this car, sheesh. I'm going to try this out and see what happens. I'll be back with you guys in a second. All right, it's connected. Let's see what happens. I got power. Oh man. I think the Subaru might have drained all the juice. But it's safe to say that the car still works. I have to get this thing repaired, man. Try it again. I know I have little to no gas. You know what? This steering wheel is getting in my way. Hang on. Damn, did it freeze? Oh shit. Damn, steering wheel is a pain in the ass to get off. Oh, it wants to start. It definitely wants to start. Let's try one more time. Oh, wait, damn. I would turn. Oh, it wants to, but oh well, at least I know it works. I'm gonna come back out and try it again later. You know, since it's snowing and it's New Year's Eve, maybe I should go get my drone and fly my drone just to get some different shots. Because actually, something did happen. I really want to start filming again. And there's Tuna Galleria coming up, so I don't know if there's going to be snow on the ground or, you know, I just want to get some dope shots. So I might go get my drone and fly that out. If so, I'll probably post a clip, you know, just to have something to do. Because right now I'm on winter break. And I got 3 months to get this shit up and running. This fucking Subaru, I got to jack the car up, get this fucking front lip off. So I got to put this one on. I still got to paint it. Right now it's too cold outside to do anything. And after just banging my damn hand, this is what I hit my hand on. This shit right here. And that shit hurted so fucking bad. So I'm like, no, fuck that. I'm not working on this car. So I'm gonna wait until we get that one warm day. And if I gotta work, I'm gonna call off so I can get this damn car up and running. So yeah. I'll see you guys in a second. See, I know I say this a lot, but according to them, the part wouldn't fit. This is just a test fit. It's just mocked up. I ain't even got it like fully on there yet. And it fits snug. I mean, I might just have to do a little bit of adjusting, but the shit fits. That shit fits right on there. And this lip is so much better, and it's probably off because I got that old lip on it. You can probably still see it in there, but this is gonna make the car look so much better, dude. Man, I can't wait till I can put this on. I cannot wait till I can put this on. This is gonna look so fucking sick. But yep, that's just a test fit. Alright guys, I want to try something right quick. I went old school with it because I think I used it too much and I didn't charge it. But I'm gonna go old school and see if this car starts. Oh, I think that's worse. I gotta let it charge. Nope, that didn't work. All right, everybody. Damn, can I get some light in here? There we go. Okay, today I'm gonna be doing some painting. I'm gonna paint this thing. It's not cold out, but it's not hot out. I know painting when it's cool outside, it'll take forever for it to dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just nuke the whole thing today and just let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take the front bumper off of this, because I just noticed something when I ran to the hardware store. This lip, this ain't even connected. See that? This ain't even connected. The only thing holding it, keeping it on there is the underglow, because I got that drilled into certain parts of the car. That's the only thing keeping that shit on there. But anyhow, I'm going to get this thing painted. I'm going to wipe it off because it was dusty earlier. So I'm going to wipe it off, get it painted, let it sit. And I'm probably going to add this part to the full vlog that's going to be on my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's get this shit done because I don't want to lose light. All right, I got the first coat on. It's just a light coat. Had to air this boy out because it was stinking in here. Had to wrap that because the wind was blowing that way. Overspray. Don't want it to get on that. So I'm not really worried about the inside too much. I'm not even going to see that. It's just the outside I'm worried about getting done. So I just put a light coat on it. I'm not going to worry about the bottom because I'm going to have to drill down there anyway. So yeah, I'm going to just let this dry, and I got some more right here. I'm using this. I got this one, and I'm not sure if you all noticed, but remember how my fenders got like the, I'm not sure if you can see it because the car is dirty. Nah, you can't even really see it, but when the car is clean, the fenders got like this glitter effect to it. That's because I'm using this gloss pearl finish, and I put a lot of it on there. It's this thing my uncle told me, it was called the wet. He saw it on the internet, so I did that to the fender, so when the car is clean, you could clearly see it. And I'm gonna do the same to these, because like those fenders, these are just temporary fenders that I got. Yeah, those are just gonna be temporary because I want to get my OEM fenders, get some carbon fiber OEM fenders, because I actually have the wide body kit that I want to put on this car, the Carlton flares. But I can't do that until I get the other fenders. So my car is gonna look the same, but not the same for Tuner Galleria. I'm still waiting on my acceptance letter. I already got the ticket, but I should get in because I've been getting in for the past 3 years. So, and I'm gonna do some stuff to the engine bay. I want to try some stuff out because I was supposed to have got the car sent to somebody to do that, but that didn't happen because this one broke, so I had to drive that one. You know, I'm pretty sure everybody knows that by now. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to do some stuff to the engine bay. But yeah, let me get back to this. All right, I just put 2 more coats on it. This shit is like extra shiny. I didn't realize how fast this shit dries. I mean, it's like I said earlier, it's not cold out, but it's not warm out either. So I think just because this has primer in it as well. So this is almost done. Then I'm gonna hit it with this so I can have that pearl sparkly finish to it, and I'm gonna just leave it out here and just let it dry. But yep, So tomorrow, I should be putting this thing on, hopefully, because I got to fix the kitchen sink. There's something going on with my kitchen sink, so I got to fix that. But like I said, I'm going to go to the hardware store early, like when they first open, so I can get this sink taken care of, so I can just spend the whole day, because I got to disconnect the underglow and all that that's connected to that old lip. I got to disconnect all of that. So I'd rather do that, get it out the way, pop me a Celsius energy drink, drill all these holes, and get this damn thing put on there.